Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Going to do a video walkthrough on this 2018 Back Cove 320, or 32, excuse me. Stepping aboard the cockpit, you can see you've got plenty of aft seating. Below deck is your generator, roughly 60 hours on it. Take a peek at the photos for more details. They're very nice, great condition drop down enclosure here. Got sunshade, electric sunshade. Obviously hard top, stepping up. You see the attention to detail with handrails, wood stripes. Very nice captain's chair. Garmin electronics, including autopilot. Volvo Penta controls. You can see 251 hours as of today. Bow and stern thruster on this boat. Boat has climate control in this area, so you got a, I believe it's 16,000 BTU unit. Get a photo of this area set up as a dinette. Take a look at the photos, because this backrest slides back and turns into a companion seat, and there's your footrest for the companion seat. Got refrigerator on this side, freezer on this side. Taking a peek at the galley, you've got good drawer storage here, counter space with the sink, closure on top, and then a nice sink. 2-burner stove, microwave, coffee maker. Carpeted in this area. This area does turn into a very nice berth that I mentioned. Boat is equipped with a screen door into the cockpit, or excuse me, into the cabin. Got 2 stairs stepping down, nice teak and holly sole. Port, here's your head. Vanity. Starboard, your shower, walk-in shower, and then very nice V-berth, easy for a couple to get in and out either side. Beautiful woodwork, hanging locker to port, hanging locker to starboard. Got generator controls here. You can see 67.5 hours, and then there's your AC DC panel. Walking back up, there's a shot of your stairs coming up. Getting into the cockpit again. Guys, this is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking the time to look at this 2018 32 Back Cove. Give us a call at 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. If you have any questions. Have a good day. Thanks.